Do you sometimes wake up in the mornings feeling totally unmotivated about your day, maybe even anxious? In the back of your mind, some part of you is expecting something bad to happen. Well, you're not alone, because I've woken up many mornings like this, and so do many other people. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use EFT tapping to change all of that, to help you feel more motivated and to help you feel better about your day ahead. This is a technique I use and it has done absolute wonders for me. It's been a total game changer for me personally, and I'm so thrilled to be able to share this with you, and I'd love to hear in the comments how this does work for you. So let me know in the comments how this goes for you when you start adding this to your morning routine. My name is Sandra. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the author of Tapping into Abundance using EFT tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and turn your life around. And if you want to do just that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. I've been helping people tap every week for over 7 years now, and I help people remove those limiting beliefs that are keeping them stuck and stifled so that they can step into their confidence and start living the life they want to live with joy, with peace, and an empowered sense of self. If you want to work with me one-on-one, there's a link in the description field below this video for a free 30-minute clarity session. And for those of you who just want to find out more about this kind of work, and how this kind of work affects your energy centers, I have a free masterclass called How to Heal Your Shadow Through Balancing Your Energy Centers, and there's a link in the description field below this video. And you can also find all of this information out on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. So in the mornings, you may wake up dreading the day. Mondays tend to be the biggest day for most people, as Monday is the beginning of the work week, and often it's work that we're struggling with. What we're worried about, what's going to happen at work. It doesn't matter whether you work for yourself or you work for someone else. There can be this sense of dread about the day, or just maybe you just don't feel very motivated about your day. Tapping can help change this, and it's not to just help you accept your lot in life, it's to help you feel better about what it is that you're doing, so that when you're wanting to change what it is that you're doing, maybe you want a new job or you want a new lifestyle, you're going to be feeling better about yourself and more motivated to be able to even do that. For a lot of us, we wake up in the mornings not feeling motivated, or we're dreading the day. Maybe you feel you're not going to get all the work done that day because there's a lot of work to do. Maybe you're dreading having to correspond with people. Maybe you're worried about your boss at work and what's going to happen as you interact with people. There can be many, many things, but what we're going to focus on today are the feelings of dread and the feelings of not feeling motivated. So karate chop point, repeating after me. Even though I just don't want to do today. I feel unmotivated. Even some anxiety. I'm okay. Even though I feel the anxiety. I'm feeling the dread. I wish I could do something else today. I'm okay. Even though I have fear about today. Expecting the worst. All the things I have to get done. I'm going to honor how I feel. So now we're going to tap on the points. I feel the fear. I feel the dread. I'm not motivated today. A part of me expects the worst. Conflicts. Or maybe just a lot of work today. Maybe I'm worried about not finishing the work today. That it's just too much. Or I wish I was doing something else. No matter what it is, I'm not feeling motivated. And I don't like it. So what if? I do have time to get everything done. What if there's plenty of time to get things done? What if today runs smoothly? What if I can find ways of enjoying today? What if good things can happen today? What if I can enjoy today and be safe at the same time? What if, no matter what, I can enjoy today and be safe at the same time? What if things are always working out for me, including today? What if things are working out for me today? What if things work out for me today and I can be safe at the same time? Take a deep breath and let it out. This is just a quick thing for you to do in the morning. Check in with how you feel and then tap on how you feel and then go into some what if reframes so that you can change the way you feel and start to enjoy your day. You don't want to be spending every day in a state of not being motivated or a state of dread or a state of boredom. Try to find a way to make something good out of it, something fun out of it, something positive out of it. And that will help you raise your mood. It will help you raise your vibration, and it will also help you start creating what it is you're wanting to create in your life so that you bring more of that feeling of motivation, more of that feeling of joy into your life. And if there's specific things that you're concerned about for that particular day, make sure you tap on those and you find a reframe for them so that you can reframe them in a positive way and connect to your subconscious mind and give your subconscious mind a new way of looking at the situation and a new way of feeling about the situation. If you are feeling stuck and stifled, do book that free clarity session with me. It's a 30-minute session. We'll talk about what is going on for you, and I will help you get clarity about where you're stuck. And then if you want to do coaching with me, we can talk about that too. I also have a do-it-yourself course called The Wheels of Empowerment, which is an opportunity for you to do this type of tapping, working with your energy centers, the chakras, on very common beliefs that are keeping you stuck at each chakra level, whether that's fears, shame, guilt, not feeling good enough, not feeling confident enough to speak out for yourself, feeling concerned that you're inhibiting yourself even from a spiritual point of view. All of that is in the course Wheels of Empowerment. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can sign up for that course and for the free clarity session. And if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments field how you wake up in the morning. What are your key concerns in the morning that you'd like to do some tapping on? And I'll do some videos about just that. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.